In this video we will answer a question what is alias in the simple SQL statements. And in our demo we will go back again on employees table, and here let's play with a name column. To say that the name column, when we write the query, we know that it's coming from employees table, but it's not really good descriptive column name if you want to use, for example, in some report. And for that reason it's good to put much descriptive name like employee name. To say how we could that, the first way is just to press space and after that to write employee name, which is not really nice. As you could see that we have already the new name, but here in our SQL query, if we have a lot of columns, will not be so readable and easy to understand that this is the alias, this is the column name. For example, we have a column, we have an email, we have end date. For some reason we put alias, for example date. And yeah, when you have several columns and several alias, we cannot really get what is going on. As you could see, here it's the new alias, here it's the new alias, which is good, but not so readable like a query. For this reason, the second way to put alias is with keyword as, which is much readable and better to use it in our query like a way. For this reason, I suggest you to use the second way to write alias. It's really good in a case that we just want to change the column name and put here really big sign that this is renaming and alias that it's living only in our SQL query. Like a table and structure, we don't change it for anyway. When we just run the query, we will have the new column names only here. They will living only in this query. If we want to put alias that it's two words, like this one, employee name with a space between employee and name, we need to put this for specific way, like a string. Regarding the databases, relational databases, we could use another sign for that, for this purpose. I think that it's the universal one. Another, it's this kind of brackets. Which again, yeah, here in MySQL not working, but for example with SQL server, it's a way how we could do that, but that it's, I think, working in almost every single relational database. And yeah, and now when we put in the correct way our alias, because they are two words, if we don't put specific symbol to be recognized like one alias, will be accept like two words that SQL don't know these are the columns or comments what exactly they are. And for this reason, if we just leave it on that way, we will have the error and this query will not running successfully. Let's put it up again back like a string, and yeah, we will have the new alias for this column. We could put alias on a table part 2 as that way, just as, and the new name of our table. And now for our SQL query, the employees table will not anymore will be named like employees, will be like just E. This really will help when we make joins, but we'll have a particular video for that. Just let's show you how this could help you in one really simple SQL query statement. Just if we write the table name now that it's E, and after that point we will have like a list of columns which we have in this particular table. That it's really useful if we don't know exactly the whole column names in our table. This table is new for us and we want to find out what exactly was the columns here, which one we could use, and just press with the mouse on the column that we want to have here. If we write E and point and start to write the column, for example department name, when we write enough letters to see this column, just could press enter and we will have this column. If we again click on E and point and want to see all the columns that start with P or have in them name P, then write P and we'll see and could choose with my keyboard which one of the column of this column I want to represent, and just press to enter and I already will have it. I hope you enjoy on that video. If that's right, be part of our channel and click on the subscribe button, click on the command button to be notified for the next, I hope, good video for you. And thank you for your watching and see you in the next video.